Hello, you're welcome to this lesson. In this video, we are going to learn how to locate all the instance centers for this figure that I have here. So let's go ahead and look at how you are going to do this. So before you locate the instance centers, you must know the number of instance centers that we are going to have. Okay. So to do this, you are going to use this formula here. N equals n to bracket n minus 1 over 2. So this n here represents the number of links. Okay, and then when you look at this figure here, we have 6 links. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know that all the fixed links are counted as 1. Okay, take note of that. So we are going to have 6 into bracket 6 minus 1 over 2, and then this will give us 15, which means we have 15 instance centers. Okay, so look at what you are going to do now. You are going to list all the 15 instance centers. Okay, so look at the method you are going to use. So we have 6 links, so I will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Okay, so now I'm going to combine the numbers. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, and then 1, 6. Okay, and then from there I'm going to have 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, and then 2, 6. Then I'll have 3, 4, 3, 5, and then 3, 6, and I'll have 4, 5, 4, 6, and then from here I'll have 5, 6, and then that's all. So these are the instance centers that we need. Okay, these numbers was to help us get all the instance centers, so you can ignore them. So one thing you have to know is that there are some of the instance centers that we can locate easily. Okay, those are the instance centers that are at points where 2 links meet. Okay, so when you look at these links here, we have link 1 and we have link 2. Where they meet becomes an instance center 1, 2. Okay, so I'm going to name here 1, 2. This is 2 and 3, so here becomes 2, 3. Then I'm going to have 3, 4 here. I'll have 3, 5, and I'll have 4, 5 here. And I'll have 1, 4. I'll have 5, 6 here. Okay, so now let's circle the instance center that we know so far. We know 1, 2. We know 2, 3. Okay, we know 3, 4. We know 4, 5. 5, 6, 2 is known. And then we know 1, 4. Okay, we know 1, 4, 2. We know, let me see, 3, 5, 3, 5. We know 3, 5, 2. And then I think that's all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let me see. There might be one more. 1, 4, 4, 5, 3, 4. Okay, yeah, I think that's 1, 6. Okay, let me circle 1, 6. Okay, so now the reason why I circled 1, 6 is that when you look at this slider here, okay, to be sliding in the vertical direction. Okay, so this the instance center for this slider will be between that will be the instance center 1, 6. Okay, so this 1, 6 here, we've not indicated it yet because of the slider. So to do this, you see that the slider will be sliding in this direction. Okay, that will be the direction of the velocity. Okay, so what that means here is that the instance center must be perpendicular to the sliding direction. Okay, so if you have the sliding direction to be in this direction, then the instance center must be perpendicular to it. So that instance center will be the instance center 1, 6. So you've seen that the slider will be sliding vertically. Okay, so the instance center must be perpendicular to the sliding direction. So we are going to have a horizontal line. Okay, we're going to have a horizontal line here. So this line here becomes the instance center 1, 6, which is what we have here. Okay, that's what you have here. So now you know that we are looking for 15 instant centers, and then we have 8 so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means we have 7 left, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's look at how you're going to locate the remaining instant centers. Okay, so one thing you have to know is that since the instant center for the slider is perpendicular to the sliding velocity, okay, you must draw lines that are parallel to this one says through any fixed point that we have here. So you have a fixed point here, you have another fixed point here, so you must draw lines that are parallel to this line here. So which means that you're going to have this lines. Let me look at this very well. Okay, so I'm going to have another horizontal line here. It must be parallel to this line. Okay, so I'm going to draw another one that will pass through this fixed point. So I have another one here. Okay, so we drew these lines because they must be parallel to the first line that we had, which was the instant center for the slider, which is at infinity. Okay, let's not forget that. So each of these lines here becomes instant center 1, 6. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so now for us to locate the remaining instant centers, I'm going to use this circle method. So look at what I'll do. I'm going to draw a circle. So I'll draw a circle and then I'll divide this circle into 6 equal parts. Okay, so I have this here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's because we have 6 lengths. Okay, so let's take note of that. Okay, so I'm going to deepen the points. Okay. Okay, so this is what you have. So now let's join them. Okay, this is not really perfect as I expected. Okay, so so this is what you have. So I'm going to label the connects. So this becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you are going to indicate the instant centers that we know on this circle diagram that we have here. So this becomes 1, 2, 2, 3. This becomes 3, 4. Then have 4, 5. Now 5, 6, and I'm going to have 1, 6 here. So let's look at the instant centers that we've not indicated here. So far, I think we don't have 1, 4, and then we don't have 3, 5 also. Okay, so let's look at that. So let me try and then join 3, 5. When I join 3, 5, I'm going to have about 3 options here. Okay, and then when I do any of this, I'm not going to have a triangle on both sides. For instance, when I join 3, 5 and I join 1, 5, I'm going to have a triangle at this side and I can't have a triangle here. Similarly, when I join 3, 5, I can only have a triangle at one side. So for that reason, 3, 5 is not going to work. So you're going to consider 1, 4. When I join 1, 4, okay, you see that you have just 2 connects here. Okay, so that will make it easy for us. So let me deepen this for now. Okay, since I already know it. Okay, so now that you've joined 1, 4, okay, we can look at the corners that we have. So from here, we can find instant center 2, 4 because I can join 2 to 4, and then I can find 1, 3 because I can join 1 to 3 also. So let's start with 2, 4 first. So I'm going to join 2 to 4. Okay, so now I have 2 4 here. Okay, so we are going to locate the instant center 2 4. So let's look at this. So I have 2 4 here. So you see that after joining 2 to 4, we have two triangles. I have one here and then I have one here. So let's read the sides of this triangle. I'm going to have 2 3 and then 3 4. So 2 3 and then 3 4. And I'll go to this side also. I'll have 1 2 1 4. 1 2 1 4. Okay, this is what I have. So you will go to the figure. Okay, so on this figure I'm going to look for 2 3 3 4. Okay, so I'm going to look for the instant center 2 3 and then 3 4. Okay, so I have 2 3 here and then I have 3 4 here. So I'm going to draw a line through these two instant centers. So this becomes 2 3 3 4. Okay, and then the next one is 1 2 1 4. So I have 1 2 here, I have 1 4 here. So let me join these two instant centers. Okay, so this intersection point here becomes the instant center 2 4. Okay, so let's continue. So now I'm going to join 1 to 3. Okay, that one give us instant center 1 3. So let's look at that also. Okay, so I have 1 3. So for 1 3, let's read the instant centers on both sides of this line. So I have this line here. I'm going to have one triangle here, and then I have another triangle here. So I'm going to have points 1 2 2 3. And then I will have 1 4 3 4. So now you can go to our figure and then you look for 1 2 2 3. This is 1 2, this is 2 3. So I'll draw a line through these two instant centers. So this is what I have, and then the next one is 1 4 3 4. So this is 1 4, this is 3 4. So I'll draw a line through these two instant centers. Okay, so this is what I have. This now becomes the instant center 1 3. Okay, so now let's continue. Let's see how many we have left. You have 1 2 3 4 5. You have 5 left. So let's look at this side also. So at this side we can have 1 5 and then 4 6, right? So let me join 1 to 5. Okay, so I have 1 to 5 here. So 1 5. So for 1 5, I have one triangle, I have another triangle here. So reading the instant centers, I'm going to have 1 4 and then 4 5. And then I will have 1 6 5 6. 1 6 5 6. Okay, so let's look at this instant sentence. So I have 1 4 4 5. This is 1 4, this is 4 5, right? And then I have 1 6 5 6. So this is 1 6 5 6, right? Which is this horizontal line here. Then I have 1 4 4 5, which is 1 4 4 5. So they will meet here. This becomes the instant center 1 5. Okay, so now let's look for 4 6. Okay, so 4 6. So for 4 6, let's read the point we have. 4 6. So for 4 6, we are going to have 4 5 5 6. So we're going to have 4 5 5 6, which is 4 5 5 6, and then we're going to have 1 4 1 6. So let's read that. 1 4 1 6. Okay, so now let's go to the figure once again. So you have 4 5 5 6. So this is 4 5, and then this is 5 6. So let me draw this line here. 4 5 5 6. Okay, now give me this line, and then we have 1 4 1 6. So this is 1 4, and then you know the horizontal line passing through 1 4 becomes 1 6. So this whole line becomes 1 4 1 6, and then this is the 5 6 4 5. So this is where they meet. This point becomes 4 6. Okay, so now let's look at the instant sentence that we have left. Now we need 2 5 2 6 and then 3 6. Okay, so let's look at what we are going to do. Okay, so now I'll start with 2 6. Okay, so let's join 2 to 6. Okay, let's join 2 to 6. Okay, I'm going to deepen this line, okay, so that we can see it well. Okay, so I have 2 to 6. So for 2 to 6, you can see that I have one triangle here, and then I can read this also, right? So let's look at that. 2 6. So for 2 6, I'm going to have 1 2 1 6, 1 2 1 6, and I'm going to have 2 4 4 6, 2 4 4 6. So that will be 2 4 4 6. So let's go to the figure. Okay, so we have 1 2 1 6. This is 1 2. Okay, and then you know the line passing through becomes 1 6. So I'm going to have this horizontal line to be 1 2 1 6, because I have 1 2 here, and 1 6 is the horizontal line. So we have this whole line to be 1 2 1 6. Okay, and then let's look for 2 4 4 6. This is 2 4, and then 4 6. This is 4 6. So 2 4 4 6. So let me draw a line to show this. Okay, so I have this line here. So you know that the horizontal line was for 1 2 1 6, and then this one is for 2 4 4 6. Okay, so where they meet now becomes 2 6. 2 6. Okay, so now we know 2 6. Okay, so now let's look for 2 5 and then 3 6. Okay, so for 2 5, let's see what will happen. It has become a little messy, but let's manage this. So let me join 2 to 5. Let me make it deep. Okay, let me make it deep. Okay, so for 2 to 5, we can read 2 4 and then 4 5, which is 2 4 and then 4 5. So for 2 5, we can have 2 4 and then 4 5. And then we can have 2 6 and then 5 6, which is 2 6 and then 5 6. So 2 6 5 6. Okay, so now let's go to the figure. So 2 4 4 5. This is 2 4, and then where's 4 5? Okay, so this is 2 4 4 5, right, which is this line here. And then now we need 2 6 5 6. So this is 2 6, and then I need 5 6. Okay, so this is 2 6, and then this is 5 6. So let's draw a line through this. So it becomes 2 6 5 6, right? Okay, so I'm going to have this line here, and then where they meet, which is this point, becomes 2 5. Okay, so now let's look for the last point, which is 3 6. Okay, so 3 6, let me gain 3 to 6. Okay, let me make these dotted lines. Okay, let me make these dotted lines. Okay, so for 3 6, let's look at what we have. So for 3 6, I'm going to have 3 4 4 6, right? So for 3 6, I'm going to have 3 4 4 6, 3 4 4 6, right? And I'm going to have 2 3 2 6, which is 2 3 2 6. So I have 2 3 2 6. Here is it, 2 3 2 6. Okay, so let's take note of this. So let's go back to the figure. So we need 3 4 and then 4 6. Okay, so this is 3 4 and then this is 4 6. So we already have this line here. Okay, 3 4 4 6, right? And then we need 2 3 2 6. So this is 2 3, this is 2 6. Okay, so I'm going to okay, so now we have 3 4 4 6, right? So this is 3 4 and then this is 4 6. So I have this this line here. Okay, that will be 3 4 4 6, and then the next point is 2 3 2 6. So I have 2 3 here, and then I have 2 6 here. So let's draw a line that will pass through these two instant centers. So I'll draw it to pass through 2 3 and then 2 6. Okay, and then that will touch this first line here, and then this point becomes the instant center 3 6. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe.